We try to adopt the technology that we think is going to be beneficial or have the best return on investment on our farm. If it's going to help us improve our efficiency or overall yield of the farm, we would consider it highly. Obviously, we want to continue the farm long term, and in order to increase efficiency, increase acres, you got to be doing more with less. So if there's ways that we can reduce a pass in the field, we're going to try to get that, or if it's improving something that we're losing yield on. Standability is a very important thing on our operation. Some of the biggest troublesome problems that we've had in our field with corn rootworm, we saw it about 3 years ago. We addressed it with using certain insecticides, and we have adapted into using dry. We've had root feeding that's completely fallen down, node and a half completely chewed off on these roots. Even on rotated ground, the pressure is still there. So it's been not only root feeding, but overall the disease pressure that continues, because if we don't have healthy roots, then the top side of that plant all of a sudden starts appearing and there's more diseases that will affect that plant. With the adaptation of SmartStax PRO on the acres that we have heavy rootworm pressure, and where we have it versus a competitor, we have seen ungodly amount of pressure in these areas, and the SmartStax PRO technology, that almost looks just as good as where we had the insecticide too. Root feeding is very minimal. There is some there, but plants next to it, 12 rows over, are a node and a half chewed off, goosenecked. Very noticeable difference just walking and scouting it. Obviously, the combine's going to tell the story going across the scale, but right now we are very optimistic that SmartStax PRO is going to get us to a lot better control we're happy with.